Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Huobi Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in huobi.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Huobi Wallet website, for which you can also type in htx.com. Now, once you're in this page, you will find the sign up button at the top right corner as well as in the center page. Go ahead and click on it, and now you have two different options to sign up. You can use your email address or your phone number to sign up to your account. Go ahead and type in either your email address or your phone number and then tap on the next button. You can also enter a referral code if you have one. Once you tap on the next button, you will be asked to solve a small puzzle. After solving this puzzle, you will be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to your email address or your phone number. So go ahead and check your inbox or your phone SMS and you will find the confirmation code from HTX. Go ahead and enter this code in the verification box and then click on the confirm button, and you will now be allowed to set up a password for your account. Go ahead and enter your desired password and then click on it, begin your HTX journey. You will now be welcomed to your brand new account on HTX. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Huobi Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.